Assalamu alaikum. I'll be showing you how to make these types of websites in Lovable.dev. So first of all, I go to TweakCN to look for the theme I want to integrate into my website. So they have many pre-built themes that you can select from. I'm using this one, and you can also go to colors and update them and see how different layouts will look in this theme. So we can gonna copy this code, and we can go to Claude and convert it into the different form of HSL so that we can use opacity and doesn't cause any error. So it will be converting it. Now we are going to go to Relume.io. I use it to make the wireframe for my landing pages and different apps I want to build. So I'm going to give it the prompt to make a landing page for web design agency and click generate. So it is going to first create the sitemap for us, and then we are going to go and look for the wireframe. And it's done. So we can choose from different layouts of a section, and we can easily change them. I'm going to go with this grid section. And is also going to generate the copy for each section. And changing our team section as well. So we are going to go to Claude, and our design system is ready, and I'm going to copy this prompt to give to the Lovable and paste it here. And I've written this prompt in the form of the describing the role and then the concept that I want to build a web design agency landing page, and give the first step to create the hero section and follow the typography and the design system that we are giving to it, and copy the design system and paste it into Lovable. And then we're going to go to Relume and copy the wireframe, screenshot it, and give it to Lovable. Paste it here and then enter. So this is the first layout. The typography is not applied, so I'm gonna ask it to give the typography. I give that steps in bullets so that it follows it correctly, and also to make the heading font thin and websites in italic and font setup. And now we're going to go to 21st.dev. I also use components from here. They have pre-built components with different animations, and we're going to go and choose the navigation bar, this one, and copy the code from here and give it to Lovable. You can also preview the component, copy the code and paste in Lovable, and ask it to update our navigation menu by using our design system. It's updated, and it is also fully responsive. You can check it for the tablet and the mobile version as well. So now we are gonna create the image for the hero section, and I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and ask to generate a Midjourney prompt and use the same design system in the dark mode, and copy the prompt and give it to Midjourney. And we're gonna try with some other prompt as well. Copy this and paste into Midjourney, and look for the images it has generated. I like this one, and I'm gonna loop it in slow and upload it to the imagegrid.io and copy the URL of it and give it to Lovable to replace it with the image and add our video there. And it has updated the video. Let me know if you like this video and will like more tutorials like this, making the complete landing page and adding more graphics and gradients to make it more stunning.